Pagan Travel Channel. We are currently in Dorado, Puerto Rico, and we're gonna go to this place called El Ojo del Buey. It's the entrance right here. Parked here. I didn't see anybody asking for money to park there. I think it's just a place where you can just park. And we're here because we're going to go to an area where there's actually a rock formation that looks like a bowl. So we're gonna check it out. Now I remember being here, I visited this place maybe, I would say, well, it's been a while actually. I think about 6 years ago was the last time that I've come here, and it is a really nice place. I don't remember totally where I need to walk, but I do remember that you have to kind of walk this way and you will get to the area in the zone. So let's check it out. So the water here is actually crystal clear, but it has a lot of seaweed. They're in the middle though. It might be a possible place where you can swim, just like that middle streak right there.
I mean, unless you wear water shoes, you won't feel it, or if you don't care about feeling the seaweed on your feet.
Right. It's a nice little cove. So we were standing just right there coming through the cove, and then there's like 3 different divisions. So we took this one. We're now seeing this area right here, but I'm pretty sure we got to keep walking this way. So I think either the left one or the right one leading to this way will take you there. So let's check it out. All right, now we got to this area, which there seems to be like a larger beach over there. But we're gonna keep going this way, straight ahead. And now we arrived to this really cool looking area. Some cliffs, rocks. Very nice. Seems like there's like mini natural pools. Water's very rough in this area though, so gotta be careful. Seems like there's another fork. We're gonna go to the right.
To the right, to the right, to the right.
Not that right, over here.
To the left, to the left.
Oh, it's right there. Check that out. And there you have it. You have a bull right in front of us, a natural one. Really cool. Now guys, these rocks are really sharp. You gotta be very careful. Closed-toed shoes, not open ones. She's climbing on it. Definitely a cool place to check out, so make sure you do when you come to Puerto Rico. Now I did find a nice little cove where you could get into. Crystal clear water with cliffs surrounding it. It's beautiful.